Okay, I've got this database called college football teams, and let's take a look at it. Okay, I've got 30 teams, or about 30 teams in there, and on each team I have a record, and you'll notice in the record I have, I've added the fields that I want to keep track of, and of course there's a website right there if I want to see, what their schedule is, or who they're playing next week, or anything I want to look at, I can add a link to any website, and also image. This is an image of the coach. You can add any image, and it shows a thumbnail. And if you roll over it, it shows a little bit bigger picture, so you can see exactly what you're looking at. If you want to see the whole, this is what the picture is in real size. So you have access to uploading images. And so I put the image of each coach, of some of the coaches for the Big Ten teams. Now let's go to the spreadsheet. You can jump back and forth between the spreadsheet and the record. And you'll notice I have more fields in the spreadsheet or in the record than I do the spreadsheet. And I can add and remove these fields. And we'll come to that in a minute. But meantime, I want to just narrow this down because I have 30 records. I might have 150 records. I think there's like 130 Division I teams. I might have 130 records in here. And I only want to look at the Big Ten. So I'm going to go BIG 10 in my filter box. And now I filtered it down. And I've got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got like 7 Big Ten teams there. And I want to add another one. I'm going to add Indiana. So I'm going to go Home, Utilities. Let's see, add new college football teams record, and I'm going to add Indiana, submit, and now it's there. Now I could add as many as I want, but I'm just going to add that right now. Home, submit, and there it is, Indiana. And there's no information in Indiana at all. So what we want to do is we want to put the nickname as the Hoosiers. School is Indiana University, and city is Bloomington, I believe. Oh, there it is, Bloomington. Website. Okay, so now I have I went to the website. I went to the Indiana College football website, and there's the link. So I'm going to copy that link, and I'm going to come back over here, put that in there, and see what we got so far. I hit the save button, and now it all lights up. And let's see, here's a link to the website. And it's working as expected. And let's see, the coach is Tom Allen. Oops. Okay, and so let's go ahead and save that. So now we can see that that's saved. And okay, I downloaded an image of him earlier, and I want to put that image into my database. So I click on Images. And I'm going to upload. You can, by the way, you can view images of this record. You can delete. This is just a little menu to help you out, where you can just click and and manipulate images. What we want to do is upload an image, and we're going to choose the file. And I have that file saved in a directory called temp. You could do it on desktop or documents or however you like to do it. Tom Allen here's his image. I hit submit. And it returns a link, and I copy that link, and I want to go back to my record, and I want to put the image link right there. Control, however you like to, you can hit Control copy or whatever, and save. And notice as soon as I saved it, now that image is live, and you can do the rollover and make him bigger. And that's enough information now. So let's go ahead back to the spreadsheet. And notice he's there. The Indiana's there. The link's there. If I want to go back to Indiana and make some other... I need to put the conference in. So I'm going to put the Big Ten. Okay, save. And spreadsheet. So now Big Ten is in the conference for Indiana, wherever that's at right there. Now I'm going to filter that again. So I'm going to go Big Okay, so now I have just the Big Ten teams, and that's pretty much how you do it. If I want to add or delete fields, let's say I want to get that image out of there. In fact, I do want to get that image out of there because I want to put this into a spreadsheet. Like you can use Excel or LibreOffice or OpenOffice or whatever Apple has on their system. You can put this. This will work with any spreadsheet. Let me go home, utilities, and spreadsheet, and that image doesn't really work in a spreadsheet. So I'm going to get that out of there. Submit, home, submit, and then to go to the spreadsheet. Now you'll see there's no images in the spreadsheet. Now I can take this, I can copy that and open my spreadsheet and paste it into my spreadsheet, and I've got all the fields that were on my Zapdex spreadsheet now in an Excel or whatever spreadsheet. And let's say if one of these columns was numbers, say you're keeping track of your bets, you can, you got full functionality, so you can keep track of your bets. If you bet the college football games every week, you can every week just copy it to a spreadsheet and keep track of how you're doing for the year. And that's pretty much, in a nutshell, the concept of where you go back. You use the spreadsheet and the record interchangeably. You add your data in the spreadsheet in the record, and you can copy it to a Excel type spreadsheet. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks. Bye.